Welcome to the very first song in the Piano Adventures Lesson Book 2A. This is the second edition, and we are still going to continue on and play with the G position. So take a look at my hands here. I have my right hand on the treble G and my left hand on the middle G position. And let's start. Let's look at the right hand together. We're going to start again on G position with a thumb. And let's start by skipping. Skip and step, hold. Repeat that pattern. And again. Skip, 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 and step. Skip, skip. Skip, step, and step. Left hand here, just so I'm reminding you, we are starting on G, B, and D. This is the G chord. And we play G, skip one, and skip one. Chord 1 or G chord. Follow me. To the third line. C sharp. Chord 5, 7, back to chord 1.